Hello, my name is Tamika Porter, and this is my portfolio review. I'm a generalist as well as a fashion designer. My contact information is 904 210 3635, and you can also reach me by my email, or you can also um, follow me on behance.net/Tamika Porter. This is part of my stationery, my cover letter, and my resume. The style I went for was something that was more on the elegant side, along with some of my favorite colors. My identity consists of my stationery mock-up as well as my shopping bag mock-up with my daughter in the background as my model, wearing something that I designed. Now let's get into the rebranding of the projects. I chose web design, Serena Spa, and I changed up a lot of things on here and added in slideshows, and I went with the same images that we had. I just made the website look like um, a real website, and I chose print and package designs for the next projects. I went with the inspirational poster where we had to find a quote and design from that quote. And I chose Maya Angelou's "Try to Be a Rainbow in Someone's Cloud." And as you can see, that the image has someone crying, and then we have rainbows. So what I decided to do with the changing up of the project was to add in a cause. So depression is something that's out here a lot today, and I chose to find an agency and tie it in with the "Try to Be a Rainbow in Someone's Cloud." Then for package design, I went with Shango. Shango was a water bottle label, and what I did was I changed up everything that I had going on. Before, it was just too busy with the logo along with the background. What I did was lighten it up, and it's also a sparkling water, so I wanted to incorporate the fruits within the mock-up. And last but not least, I chose the magazine cover and the 4-page article. What was originally there was the 4-page article, and what I did was I changed it up, and I wanted to tie this in with my newborn, so I came up with the nameplate for this magazine, and it's called Trendy Baby. So I added in the fashion that I already had with the other article and turned it into an article for babies. And then I tapped myself into it, saying "Love Your Body" after the baby. So that's it with the magazine cover and the 4-page article. Now let's get into the motion. Motion was the last piece that I selected. What I did was I took pip blocks that we had to do for a project. I took that and I turned it into a commercial, and I will add in the file for that. And let's talk about the capstone project. My capstone project was Huggables, and what I did was I changed it into Love-A-Bear. Love-A-Bear is going to be a product that's for sick kids. It's going to be sort of like your Baymax character. They're going to have all the same qualities. We want Love-A-Bear to actually act as if he's a child as well. He or she is a child. Giving the sick child like a companion friend. And my guerrilla advertising, I chose to add in a button, a healthcare button on all of the equipment so that the child can just press the button and their character comes to life. And right now, what I do is I do a lot of freelance jobs. That's what I've been doing lately. I haven't um, been working in the field. I used to be a customer service representative along with working in warehouses and things like that, but that's not where my heart is. My heart is with fashion design as well as graphic design. So check out some of my freelance jobs. I went with the package design for a contest for Mike's Hearts Lemonade, and this is the can that I came up with. I had maybe like, I want to say like 6 or 7 more, but I chose this one to display because this is the one that I fell in love with. And I also did print slash branding for Travel Ease. I came up with a name for a client. They were looking for a name for the travel agency, and I came up with Travel Ease. And what I do mostly now is work for Divine Powers Church, and I'm the head designer there. So I do everything that's pertaining to flyers, banners, cake designs, posters, everything, programs for the church. So this is a look at what I can do for you. So if you like it, then select me to work for you. Thanks for viewing Tamika Porter's Designs, and this has been the end of my show. Later.